quick and easy vegan stir fry with a red wine sauce comes together in a little over 10 minutes. It's Vegan Stir Fry Thursday, and we're going to make a stir fry that comes together in a little over 10 minutes. I'm using instant pad thai wheat noodles. I've got some cabbage, purple cabbage, green cabbage, and some spinach. I've got nice fresh coriander or dhania. We're using some snap peas, carrots, baby marrows, green pepper, mushrooms, and onions. And we're going to start the stir fry now. We start by stir frying the mushrooms in a little sesame oil. I like an authentic taste, so sesame oil does bring out the flavor very nicely for an exotic Eastern flavor. But if you don't have sesame oil, you can use ordinary vegetable oil of any kind, olive oil or whichever you have. And once the mushrooms have drawn, you are now ready to add the balance of the vegetables. I've added everything to the pan except the snap peas, the coriander, and the noodles. Those we're going to add in the last 2 minutes, and now we're going to stir fry until everything is still crunchy but has a nice bite to it. It's all in the sauce. Everybody knows that to elevate a dish to something special, you need to have a sublime sauce, and this is really very easy to do. We're doing a red wine sauce. I've used a vegan red wine, a quarter of a glass of red wine if you can spare it, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Use something quality like Kikkoman soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, or you can use red wine vinegar if you want to, and 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar with 3/4 of a glass of water and half of a vegetarian stock cube. Now we have the vegetables stir fried to the exact consistency that we want them. We're going to add the snap peas and the noodles, and at the last minute we're going to add the coriander.